The Chinese yuan posted its biggest loss in more than 3 weeks against the US dollar on Friday, as People's Bank of China Governor Yi Gang signaled that there would be no further compromise for the currency, and that he was open to softening policy to protect the economy from a trade war fallout. The offshore yuan was down as much as 0.5%, its largest fall since May 13 led it to lows not registered since mid-November, although it recovered slightly to trade at 6.9608 per dollar. Global stocks strengthened on Monday as markets welcomed US President Donald Trump's decision to postpone his 5% tariff plan on Mexican goods. Asian and European equities gained about 1%, although Australian, German, and Swiss markets were closed for a holiday, while US futures indicated smaller increases at the open, coming off from what was their most solid weekly rise since November. Online retailer Amazon.com was able to claim the top spot as the world's most valuable brand, surpassing tech rivals Google and Apple. A global ranking released on Tuesday showed that Amazon outperformed Google and Apple with a price tag of $315.5 billion, as the company's smart acquisition sent its 2018 brand value up by 52%, placing Amazon from third to first this year. Oil prices experienced further losses on Wednesday after the US government lowered expectations for global oil demand, renewed concerns about a glut in world markets. US West Texas Intermediate crude futures fell by 2.8% to $51.80 per barrel, while Brent futures dropped by 2.6% to $60.67 per barrel, after the US government revised down its oil demand growth forecasts by 160,000 barrels per day to 1.22 million barrels per day. The Labor Department is set to report overall count of the people who filed for unemployment benefits for the week ended June 8, while economists expecting initial jobless claims to fall from 280,000 to 215,000. The upcoming data comes less than a week after the Labor Department released a lower than expected employment figures for the month of May, which raised hopes for a rate cut decision from the Federal Reserve at its July meeting.